Welcome to Consumer Pick. The best Wii Controller is probably one of the most iconic and innovative gaming accessories ever created, revolutionizing how we interact with video games through its motion-sensing technology and intuitive design, offering a unique and immersive gameplay experience that still holds a special place in the hearts of many gamers, making it a must-have for anyone looking to relive classic gaming moments or explore the vast library of Wii titles with authentic controls. Number 5. Lyyes Remote Controller for Wii and Wii U. This controller set offers excellent compatibility with both your Wii and Wii U consoles. You can use the remote and Nunchuck together or separately with your original accessories. Connecting is simple. First, press the red button on your Wii console, then press the red button on the controller to sync them up. Enjoy gaming without limits. This controller works with any version of the Nintendo Wii or Wii U. Designed for comfort, you can hold them freely in either hand for a more enjoyable gaming experience. It's powered by two AA batteries, not included, ensuring you're ready for extended play sessions. Please note this is a third-party product, not manufactured by Nintendo. What we like. This one offers broad compatibility across Wii and Wii U, and it's region-free. If you're looking for a versatile option that works with various games and systems, this is a solid choice. It's a great alternative if you need a reliable controller without the Nintendo branding. What people say. Works well. Now if you're having trouble connecting it, all you have to do is add batteries to the controller, press the red button where the Wii SD card is, and the red button that the controller has inside to sync the connection. Took me 5 minutes to figure this out. I was expecting to have worse quality, but for some reason it works great for a Wiimote replacement. Great value as well instead of buying it new or used. My only gripe with it is that sticks do feel stiff and the remote has no memory module to transfer COI with, but a rare feature that I'm not gonna mark with just. You can feel the cheap, but it won't affect your gameplay. Just a little adjustment to adapt to if you used a Nintendo official products. Number 4. Motion Plus Wii Controllers 2 packs with Nunchucks. Introducing the Motion Plus Wii Controllers, a 2-pack set that includes Nunchucks. These controllers are designed to enhance your gaming experience on your Nintendo console. These controllers are fully compatible with both the Nintendo Wii and Wii U consoles. They support all your favorite Wii games, ensuring you don't miss a beat. Experience a new level of immersion with the built-in Motion Plus technology. It offers superior sensitivity and accuracy for a more realistic and engaging gameplay. The included Nunchuck controllers feature a 3-axis motion sensor and an ergonomic design. This ensures a comfortable grip and allows for greater agility during intense gaming sessions. Getting started is easy with our simple synchronization steps. Just push the button on the controller and the red button on your console to connect. Keep track of who's who with the convenient LED indicators. These lights clearly show which player you are, making multiplayer gaming a breeze. What we like. This option comes with built-in Motion Plus, offering more sensitive and accurate tracking for a truly immersive experience. If you're seeking enhanced realism and precise movements in your games, this is the one to get. It's perfect for players who want to feel every in-game action. What people say. These Wii remotes work just like the original ones. I tried a number of third-party Wii remotes with Dolphin, and these are the only ones that worked perfectly out of the box without messing around with Bluetooth pass-through. I got these for Dolphin and they work great. I am using a stand-alone Bluetooth dongle though and a cheap, dumb sensor bar, the kind that is just IR LEDs hooked up to a USB connector, and everything works fine in Dolphin. I have tested in Windows and Linux and it connects correctly, and the games seem to recognize the Motion Plus. Heck, the speaker and rumble even work. Number 3. 2 packs replacement Nunchuck controller for Nintendo Wii U. Introducing a 2-pack of replacement Nunchuck controllers, designed to enhance your gaming sessions. These are perfect for both right and left-handed players, offering greater accessibility. Experience precise control with the integrated 3-axis motion sensing technology. This allows for intuitive character movement and effortless execution of specific actions in your games. Take charge of movement and aiming with ease. When paired with your Wii Remote, it provides a more convenient way to aim and fire, immersing you further into the action. These controllers are fully compatible with both the Nintendo Wii and Wii U consoles. Enjoy a seamless connection and reliable performance with your existing system. Designed for comfort and versatility, they adapt to your playstyle. Whether you prefer right or left-hand use, these controllers ensure an accessible and enjoyable gaming experience. Get a great value with this 2-pack of white Nunchuck controllers. They are a reliable third-party alternative for your Nintendo gaming needs. What we like. Get a pair with this 2-pack, featuring 3-axis motion sensing for convenient and precise control. If you often play with a friend or need a spare, this is an excellent value. Its ambidextrous design also makes it comfortable for any player. What people say. Tested on Wii Sports and Wii The Force Unleashed and they performed perfectly. I tested on the actual Wii console and Dolphin emulator, with no issue. They connect without any errors, the buttons don't feel cheap or like they're going to break after a couple uses. They held up to a couple weekends of GoldenEye, and got quite a workout. They're easy to use, comfortable to hold, the batteries never aired out, and controlled the game well. Honestly, these are better than the original genuine Nunchucks. They have bigger trigger buttons and the shape is more comfortable to hold and the quality of the plastic feels the same as the genuine optical Nunchucks. Number 2. NC Nunchuck Controller Joystick Gamepad Replacement for Wii. Experience intuitive gameplay with its C and Z buttons and analog stick. Aim and fire with natural movements, complementing your Wii Remote for a more immersive experience. Getting started is effortless. Simply connect this accessory to your Wii Remote and dive into the most engaging gameplay you've ever encountered. Perfect for both right and left-handed players, it offers enhanced control over your character. Improve your accuracy in various actions, from sports games to intense combat. This accessory is designed for Nintendo Wii and Wii U consoles. Enjoy the same great functionality as the original, bringing you more fun with your favorite games. We offer a 180-day return and exchange service for any quality issues. Our 24-hour customer support is here to provide the most satisfactory assistance. What we like. What people say. Perfect replacement for Wii Nunchuck. It came clean and it works perfectly. When it comes to Wii Nunchucks, it's always better to get the original stock Nintendo brand. Amazon's refurbished arrived in great condition with no stick drift, was clean and very sturdy. Number 1. FASIGO Remote Controller with Nunchuck 2-pack, white. Get ready for an intuitive and engaging gaming experience. These controllers bring a unique social activity right into your living room, perfect for family fun. Each controller is put through a strict inspection process. This ensures that every unit you receive is of the highest and most reliable quality. Connecting is a breeze. Simply press the sync button on both the controller and your console for quick and easy setup. It's powered by 2 AA batteries, not included. Expand your multiplayer fun. You can connect up to 4 of these controllers simultaneously, thanks to the built-in wireless Bluetooth technology. This pack includes everything you need to get started: 2 remote controllers, 2 nunchucks, 2 silicone cases, and 2 wrist straps for added security. What we like. This 2-pack provides a complete set for multiplayer fun, with the ability to connect up to 4 controllers. If you're planning family game nights or need controllers for a group, this is ideal. It's a straightforward option for classic Wii gaming experiences. What people say. The controller is comfortable to hold and the buttons are responsive. The nunchuck attachment adds extra functionality for games that support it. It's a great value for the price and works perfectly with my Wii console. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.